Hey everybody, what's going on? Alan here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, if not, thanks for coming back. My name is Alan, if I didn't just say that. Gibson Garage Speed Shop YouTube channel. Look, there's my dog licking his butt. So thanks for tuning in. You're probably here for one specific reason. I do a lot of the maintenance videos and regular fix-it videos for cars, and this one is going to be on my own personal Magnum 2006 RT with a 5.7, right? And I went to fill it up with gas, and I got a big whiff of gas inside the car. Like, just crazy. We were on a trip to Arizona, or through Arizona, or like, anyways, it was a long car drive, and this is the first time we noticed it. We filled it up, and wow, we're just knocked out by the smell of gas in the car. So I thought, you know, naturally, oh man, the only way that could be happening is in the car, is if there's like a access hole there for the fuel tank, fuel pump or sending unit, right? And it's leaking. It's gotta be it, right? So out there in the middle of the desert, I lifted the back seat, and sure enough, there was gas pulled up all around the top of the hat there. Let's see, I'll show you how to take the seat off. Okay, so I don't think you need any tools, if I remember correctly. I just gave it a yank. No, that's not gonna be right. I don't think I needed any tools, so I don't remember how it comes out. I have to YouTube how to take my own seat apart. I am going to figure this out. I did this, I'm certain, with no tools, out in the middle of nowhere, all by myself. I'm just gonna keep yanking and twisting until something gives. What are those, Smarties? Dang, that's a terrible loss. I don't see any way that this connects in the back. There's something. Is it just straight down? Okay, I knew it. I knew it. Straight up. Get right underneath it. It's probably the cleanest part of the whole car. There's the passenger side. I think it was. There's a door here, obvious door here. It looks a little moist. Looks like rolling tobacco. That's weird. So, got it here. 3 kids. Guys, had this vehicle for 10 years? 8 years? There's some sticky stuff over here. Oh, there's those Smarties. Yummy! Is that a Pog? How did my kids get Pogs? That's weird. That's probably from the last time I tried to figure out which one it was. Aww. Why doesn't this one open? Why doesn't this have a hatch? I'm gonna make a hatch. I'm just gonna keep my flap a little more conservative than theirs. Is that conservative? Did I use the right word? I don't know. Yay, we made a flap. Peel that out. Oh, it looks just the same as the other one. But you can definitely tell it's wet. So there's some wetness up there. And I've been keeping it really empty since I found out, you know, so it doesn't pool up too much, but you still get whiffs every once in a while. You can see the seeping, like, it's grimy. So we'll replace this one. Hopefully it is the same as the other side, and I don't have to go search for a new part. Now, another thing I realized is that this is the fuel pump side, obviously, right? It's got a fuel line going to it. So that's embarrassing, but it's okay. We'll get that off, and now that we should be sure we got the same part, we'll see if we can get it switched out. So these fuel lines are easy enough. Just gotta press in the blue tabs here. Hopefully there are tools you can rent to make this happen. Press in those tabs a little easier for you. It is hard to get to that bottom one. I might need a 90-degree one. Yeah, see, it'll only go down if you slide it forward. And then the other one clicks in. You gotta be able to do both at the same time. Did I get it? No, I didn't. It tricked me. I said, just kidding. It's just one or the other. There we go. Oh, yeah. That's leaking a little bit. Not too much, not too much. We'll soak it up real quick. So what you might could have done is found the relay for the fuel pump, or just disconnected it somewhere and then started the engine until you burn out all the fuel pressure. Then did this. So if you go to your auto parts store, they have kits you can rent that have a brass punch included in it, and that is what you're supposed to be using, not a steel screwdriver that causes sparks. This thing's leaking hella gas every time I tap on it. It's like spewing gas. Yay! Why do they play this song so much? Okay, so it looks like we're gonna have to take, I mean, it's just what it looks like, the whole fuel pump out to change this thing. Okay, this one's like a big old square thing. That is not what's in this bag. But is it the same size at least? It does appear to be of similar size. Hair smaller, in fact. I don't think that's the right kind of seal. Oh well. We'll do it anyway. See what happens, huh? YOLO. Oh, it is so much fun huffing this shit. Okay, that sits on the outside of the ring. Now why won't this go down? There's something stopping it. There's something down there. Oh, it's just like a spring. Just force it. Why didn't I think of that sooner? It's like spring loaded. Okay, we'll use the new lock ring because why not? Maybe it's not OEM, but the ring and the seal were designed together, at least you hope. So that's all you got. Let's hope. Spin it into place. Anna from Connecticut. Okay, we're gonna hook this up. So actually, I think what you need to do is take this off and put it back in the fuel line first. So take it off, slide it into place, then Bob's your uncle. I don't know what that means, but people say it, I guess. Let's get in there a little 10 more hours of that. Okay, just whipped up this bracket real quick, you know. So I just whip up stuff real quick. Stuff that won't fit or work. So that's cool. It fits. But will it work? I don't think it will. Should have made it with more leverage, because that's ridiculous. I thought I was being cool too. It's not even moving. Okay, well, I can show you guys how to take it apart and put the O-ring in, but I can't show you how to tighten that O-ring. I can't do it. So we're gonna call the video here. Peace. Strong enough. I can't do it. I think we're just gonna have to leave it on that first click. Yep. Sorry. All done. Almost. I think it's working. It hurts the hands so much.
I don't want to whack your hands though. If I get a bigger swing.
Let me get my gloves on. Leather gloves will help my hands. It is what it is, dude. You know, it's like you gotta save your father by shooting the apple off his head, but if you shoot him in the head, oopsie. Ah, we did it.
Cool.
Phew. It's supposed to go another notch, but fuck you. It's almost all the way to the end anyway. Yeah. I don't think it will go another notch, so. Oh.
I started hitting down on it.
Thank you. And that's how you change the fuel pump O-ring the wrong way. And then just slide your nasty ass seat back in. Wiggle it in place. Find your, you gotta push the carpet back a little bit. There we go, there's one. There's two. Well, that's all there is to it. You just gotta hammer the piss out of it and or make your own custom tool and it'll go right into place. This could also be a how-to for how to change your fuel pump itself, because I essentially removed that. All you'd have to do is just like unplug a new one in. Unplug a new one in. You get what I'm saying? But it's really that simple. Let me know if I got the wrong O-ring, because it was round and not really squared like that one. Don't know any OEM part numbers. There's like We had to go a roundabout way in AutoZone to even find this one. I bet if I went to O'Reilly's, it just came right up, super easy. But whatever. There's like, it's weird. There's like 3-4 different choices, but the main one doesn't pop up as in stock. You have to like do some backwards searching for a part number the system doesn't recognize, and they had it in stock. I was like, what? So it's possible that's the completely wrong O-ring. Let me know, guys. I appreciate it. Until next time, peace. Oh, and that was a Spectre Performance L0177 or 0177.